Article 243Z of the Indian Constitution pertains to the audit of accounts of municipalities. It allows the state legislature to make laws regarding the maintenance of accounts by the municipalities and the audit of those accounts. Key points: State legislature's authority. The power to make provisions about maintaining and auditing the accounts of municipalities lies with the state legislature. Maintenance of accounts. The state legislature can pass laws specifying how the municipalities should maintain their accounts, the procedures, formats, and standards they need to follow. Audit of accounts. The legislature can also make provisions for auditing the accounts to ensure that the funds are being used appropriately and legally. Auditing ensures transparency, accountability, and financial discipline within municipalities. Thus, Article 243Z empowers the states to ensure that the finances of municipalities are properly accounted for and regularly audited, promoting responsible local governance. The Constitution of India. Part 9A. The Municipalities. Article 243Z. Audit of accounts of municipalities. The legislature of a state may, by law, make provisions with respect to the maintenance of accounts by the municipalities and the auditing of such accounts.